Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to resolve this error when you try to install a plugin or try to upload a plugin to your WordPress website, either on localhost or on a cPanel or on a managed server. You will see this message which requires FTP for uploading the plugin. So I will show you how to remove this. Okay, whenever you try to install a plugin, it will show you this message, or if you want to upload a plugin, then you will also see this message. So this is because we need to add a hook in the wp admin wp config file, and then this will be gone. Okay, so first of all, go to your website's root. This is our website, and then open wp config file, and here type define fs underscore method and comma direct. Let's keep it small. This one's in capital and this one's in small, and save it. Once you save this file, go to the website again, and now go to plugin, add plugin, and upload a plugin, and click on install now. Okay, it's still asking for this, so let's check. Fs method direct. Oh, sorry, it's not capital, so let's do it. Fs method direct. Now let's try this. Upload plugin, install now. Now it's working. Click on activate plugin, and our plugin is ready. Similarly, if you try to add a plugin from the WordPress repository, for example, let's add this one. Click on install, and now it will not ask for any FTP details or anything else, and it will directly install this plugin on your WordPress website. So this is how you fix that FTP method on your local host or your cPanel or anywhere you want to use this. I hope you learned something from today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.